Hi guys and welcome to my channel. In this video I wanted to take you along on my nightly kitchen cleaning routine. Usually this is split up between my family members, but today the kids had haircuts and needed to go to activities, so I decided that I was going to do it most of it by myself. I end up vacuuming the kitchen, but my son does the rest of the house. So this gave me the opportunity to videotape my nightly routine without too many people being in the way. So come along. Most nights we do eat at the breakfast bar at the kitchen table, but I think this night it was only my husband and I that ate at the table. The kids ate at the breakfast bar because they ate at different times. we vacuum the house every day because of the dog, and usually my kids take turns as to who vacuums each day. But I usually give the kitchen a quick wash on Mondays and Wednesday, and then a deep washing on Fridays. So here it is, all finished up. It's such a good feeling to have a clean kitchen to wake up to. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up, and as always, if you're not subscribed, I would love for you to subscribe and press that notification button so you don't miss out any of the fun that we have on this channel. Until next time, have a great day, and thank you so much for watching.